Hello class. This is in this class we will going to study the multiplication of matrices. Here the some essential condition for the multiplication of matrices. The number of column in matrix A. If you have two matrices A and B, then essential condition for the matrix of two matrices. The number of column in matrix A is equal to number of row in matrix B. Let's we have a matrix A of order m cross n, then the number of row, the number of column, that is n. So condition is that number of column in matrix A. Here in matrix A, this is the m is row and n is column. So the number of row in matrix B. So whatever number of column in matrix A, that must be with the number of row of matrix B. So if m, this matrix is m cross n, then is n cross any order B, it P maybe कुछ भी. So then we have multiplied the both to matrix A, B, and what was the order of this matrix A, B. We multiply. So order of this matrix is m cross n and m cross p is m cross p. Whatever is m cross p, m cross p. Let's see some examples. If you have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 7, 6, 0. In this matrix, the order matrix is 3 cross 3, and another matrix you have, it is the 2 cross 4. You can see if there is, you can see this matrix, the number of row, the number of column in this matrix is 3 and the number of row in this matrix is 2. So we cannot multiply both of this in to each other of this matrix. Let's have another example. If this matrix can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, then here the number of column, here the number of row in 3 is 3. The number of row is 3 and column is 4. Then we can multiply. If the number of row and column is same, so we multiply A and B. Then what was the order of matrix A and B? The order of matrix A and B is 3 cross 4. 3 cross 4. So let's see the example. We will going to multiply some example, and let's have a question, beta. If you have a matrix, A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2, and you have a condition, an equation A plus 2B is equal to A square, and find the matrix B. So in order to find the matrix B, whatever the elements required in this equation we mentioned here, the A, we have A plus 2B is equal to A square. We have A plus 2B is equal to A square. Let's A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2. So whatever the A square, so what is the, if A plus 2B is equal to A square, so what is the value of B? So then 2B is equal to A square minus A. A square minus A, and B is equal to 1 by 2 A square minus 1. So find the value of A square minus 1. So A square, that is A into A, multiply matrix A into A. Then we are going to multiply 1, 4, 3, 2 into 1, 4 into 1, 4, 3, 2. Then start. For the multiply method, we have the both of the matrix of order 2 cross 2, then multiply first row from the first column of this matrix, the first row and corresponding element, the 1 into 1 and 4 into 3, the 1 into 1 plus 4 into plus 4 into 3, you get the first element. Again multiply 1 4 by 4 2, so 1 into 1 plus 4 into 2, again multiply 3 2 from 1 and 3, so 3 into 2 plus 1 into 3, so okay, whatever you, then we will get 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3, again 3 into 4 plus 2 into 2, then add this 1 into 1 1 and 4 into 3 12, so 12 plus 1 13, again 1 into 1 1 and 4 into 2 12, 8, 1 plus 8 99, again 3 into 1 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 plus 6 whatever you get 9, again 3 into 4 and 2 into 4, 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 4 is, the 12 plus 4 is 16. So you have a matrix of order 2 cross 2, that is A square. Now subtract A square, A from A square, then you will get this expression. Then subtract A 1 4 3 2, then subtract A from A square, though what you will get, then we will get 13 minus 1. In the subset we learn the rule, subtract each element from the each corresponding element. 13 minus 1 is 12, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, and the another equation, B square is equal to 1 by 2 half of A square. Then if B is equal to 1 by 2, so if we multiply 1 by 2, then we will get the value of B. This is the value of B, you can multiply inside the matrix. Then subtract, from subtraction we get this, and sorry it is wrong, and here we will multiply 1 by 4, 1 into 4 to this, so what we will get, here we get 12, then 12 minus 4 is 8, and this is the 12 6, so half of this, you can take half of this equation, so 6 4 3 and 7, this is the matrix B which is required. So in this way solve the question and ask a question if you have any problem.